Hey guys, welcome back to the Bimmer Dude channel. Thanks for tuning in. It's time that I introduce you to the newest addition to the Bimmer Dude Garage. You don't miss out, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel, thank you guys for showing up. If you're not new, you know that I like restoring some of these BMWs, these late model 90s, early 2000s BMWs on the side, split for profit, and a lot of the times my wife gets the benefit for it. I recently picked up this E46 Touring Edition in this very rare sienna red color. Now you might be asking, hey Bimmer Dude, why would you get rid of a M3 for a wagon? Well, as you guys know, that we have a new addition to the Bimmer Dude family. My son was born last year and we needed something with a little more space, a little more utility. Now the E36 M3 did fine and well, and we made it work for a short amount of time, but given the amount of traction these cars are gaining, the values are starting to go up a little bit more, and for a pristine car of that magnitude, I was able to turn a profit, put some money in savings, and bring something new to the channel that you guys might want to look at. So Bimmer Dude, what's so special about this E46 Touring? Well, I'm glad you asked. Let me show you. There's a plan there, you're going somewhere with this. Explain to us what's going on. I'm glad you guys asked. Let me explain what's going on. So I picked this car up for my wife to drive, and the car has 42,000 miles. 42,000 miles. This car is a 2000s model with 2,000 miles. That's a very awesome thing and a very scary thing at the exact same time. And let me explain what I mean by that. A vehicle of this age and this vintage should typically have somewhere in the 160 to 250,000 mile just a range. It should be in that realm just naturally. With the amount of driving you have to do here in Houston, average mileage per year is 20 to 25,000 miles. I've seen cars do 30,000 miles a year. A vehicle like this has not been on the road that often. It's somewhere in the realm of 2,000 miles a year for 18 years. That presents its own set of unique issues. As most of us car enthusiasts know, that it's never a good thing to let a car sit. And there isn't such thing as too low of mileage on a car. And for a BMW, this is no exception. Basically, here's the plan. I want to chronologically document my ownership of this vehicle. Since the vehicle has 2,000 miles on it per year for the last 18 years, giving it about 42,000 miles at this given time, it's just kind of a rare opportunity, since in the year 2000 there was no YouTube, which means there was nothing but repair information out there for the vehicle, but not a lot of time spent in these vehicles. It was a relatively new platform. It had just been designed in the late 90s, and this was the first iteration of the E46. And having a vehicle with low mileage such as this gives me a unique opportunity to basically document its progress. And by doing so, I can do so at 40,000 miles, 50,000, and so on and so forth. And I can keep you guys up to date on what's going on with it. So we can really determine that with good ownership, these vehicles can and will be reliable or more reliable depending on the owner. And before we get to the end of the video, I want to make sure that I rest assured and let you guys know that we will be modifying this car. It's not going to stay stock. It's not going to stay at this height. It's not going to stay with that god-awful front end, even though some individuals like that front end. I'm not a big fan. and I have some things in store for you guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys are interested in this build series. This is going to be a lengthy one since we're going to be keeping you guys up to date as the vehicle gets a little bit older. I'm going to show you kind of the trials and tribulations that come with owning a vehicle with super low mileage, and basically upkeep on an E46 when it's as new as this one, or basically as fresh as this car is. So thank you guys for watching the Bimmer Dude channel. Thank you guys for watching all my videos. As you know, we just hit 2,400 subscribers, and that's all thanks to you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys have been really killing it. Going to the website, purchasing items, has been supporting the channel, and it's a reason why I could pick this vehicle up. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all y'all support. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that alert button since you're right there. If you're down in the comment section, leave a comment. If you dislike the video, make sure you especially leave a comment. Let me know what I can do to improve. So guys, again, thank you for watching the Bimmer Dude channel, and as always, peace out and Godspeed, guys.